One sunny morning, four friends, Dua, Daud, and Rohan decided on a park outing. They meticulously packed snacks, a football, and a vibrant kite, their excitement palpable. Arriving at the park, a vibrant green expanse unfolded before them. Towering trees cast dappled shade, colorful flowers bloomed in cheerful profusion, and a large playground beckoned with its promise of fun. The crisp, clean air filled their lungs, invigorating their spirits. Daud and Rohan engaged in a lively game of football, their laughter echoing through the park, while Dua expertly maneuvered their kite, a colorful speck against the azure sky. The kite danced and soared, a testament to Dua's skill and the playful breeze. After their energetic games, they settled beneath the shade of a large oak tree for a picnic. They shared sandwiches and juicy fruits, their conversation a lively mix of jokes and shared stories. The atmosphere was relaxed and convivial, a perfect blend of friendship and outdoor enjoyment. As the sun began its descent,